It's your boy Milk, A-Milk, man. You feel me? Big slap vibes in the chat, man. Big slap, man. Slime vibes only. But nah, man, today I'm gonna be bringing out another car mod, man. Y'all know I'm really building my car from scratch. So I wanna say shout out to our subscribers that's been following me and watching my and supporting my channel. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate all the love because without y'all, I'm nothing. You feel me? Like, basically not me, but my channel. Like, it wouldn't be nothing. But right now, today, we're gonna install another mod. You feel me? I'm telling you, I'm going crazy with it, man. I'm going crazy. I got some more. I got some coming now in the mail. You feel me? But I'm gonna give a quick overview for the new subscribers. If you don't know, if you haven't watched my other videos, what I've been doing with it, I'm finna give y'all a quick overview of what I did already to it. So far, all I did was just do it, the diffuser, trunk spoiler, the Scatpack snorkel grill. What else? I dropped it with Scatpack OEM springs to give me a Scatpack look and it ride better. And I recommend y'all do that. Can't lie, you know, I won't lie. Then what else? I got a taser. Have a taser in there. They unlock. They give me other features, as in the track mode and everything else. And what else I did to it? That's all. That's everything I can think off top of my head right now. But other than that, today, like I said, it's gonna be a new mod. And you feel me? I'm gonna just walk up and towards my car. Then the folks who ain't seen my car, I'm gonna let you see it. Cause last video, we just showed what it was, snorkels I put in. And right now I'm gonna give y'all a quick overview of everything. Nothing too shabby, dirty right now, you know what I'm saying? Dirty. Then remember I told y'all about the Scatpack snorkels we put in. I got the snorkels, I ordered these off Amazon right here to match my car. And my car color is indigo blue. You feel me? So, but today we're gonna be installing the headliner. Gonna be installing the Rolls Royce lights. We call them stars in the ceiling. So I'm gonna give y'all heads up. It's gonna be a long process. Gonna be a long process, but it's gonna be a good video. You feel me? And you already know who that is. That pig. But you already know who in the cut with me. It's our T-Station in the back, man. You feel me? Always together. It's my cousin. We family. So, man, y'all stay tuned. Stay locked in with me. And like I said, right now, make sure y'all hit that like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Share or post. You feel me? I appreciate everybody, I promise, because I'm finna be building this car up from scratch, like I said. Like, I'm finna put everything in it. And I'm finna do it for y'all and myself at the same time, because I enjoy doing it. It's fun, you feel me? And for the people who ask me why I didn't get a Scatpack, because I actually want to build it. I want to have a project instead of just having a fast car already. Even though you can do the same thing on the Scat, but not as much. But I ain't gonna talk y'all ear off. I'm finna go ahead and get locked in, finna get everything detailed out and try to give y'all the insides of everything, how it's finna go down. So stay locked in with your boy Milk, man. Big slap vibes. Your camera back on, so everybody get started. You feel me? You understand me? You understand me? You feel me? Can't lie to you, won't lie to you. You feel me? Like everything started from my family. You already know he in the cut. You were talking that junk last night. I can't lie to you. I'm gonna let him get away with it. You feel me? Who the real Joe Dirt?
Any homeboys with these cars watching? Y'all is not Joe Dirt.
I'm Joe Dirt, bro.
I'm Joe Dirt.
You alright.
You wanna be Joe Dirt.
You alright, bro. You pop,
yet.
you dumb, bro. I give you that.
What?
Dumb.
I'm not bad.
You alright, bro. But don't do my collar like that, bro. Tripping. This how you know he about to get to work, and look, that's his daily gear right there. You got on them sounder right there. Oh boy, about to get down. But now I'm finna show y'all what's going on, what's about to happen, what you about to do. So we gotta take this whole liner down right here. That's what you about to start the process on.
Yeah.
Right, nah. So once you take this down, take it in the shop, then we're gonna show y'all the other part of the process. He already losing stuff. So let me just turn the camera off so I can keep over everything, cause I know how he is.
It's not, bro.
So I'm holla at y'all, man. Heads up, you feel me? Heads up, you feel me? Can't lie, won't lie. If you trying to do this process, make sure you don't hook your battery. You feel me? And make sure you don't have a tune or anything done to your car. It's gonna reset your car. You're gonna be hella upset. So I recommend you doing this before you do everything else. Cause really, doing it right here with him, he guess what he said to my old boy. I'm glad you didn't do this right here. You gotta unplug and do that. You feel me? But I'm just letting y'all know.
Use in the trunk and don't use them. Like, bro, what type of nigga are you, bro?
What?
Got two.
That's my niece stuff, bro. Look at him. Thought it was some panties.
Currently watching the process of a Starlight headliner and a 2023 Hellcat Angel. No yap, no cap, my boy.
You look like you'll probably get one of them electric / muscle car.
You dead, bro? You dead ass gonna try me, bro?
What?
Like that, bro? Like all the whole things, you gonna say that? Look at home, girl. What up, my boy?
That nigga yellow.
What up? Yeah. I know it. I'm being there in a minute. Nigga yellow.
Huh? What? Whoa. Oh my God, squirt. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh my God. Trap baby squirt. Just that shit. Trap baby squirt. Shit, boy. Yeah. Pop me a perk, nigga. Fuck on that pop a little bitch. Smoking wood at the woods and how I can get me the plug in the woods and a nigga lost serving. Nigga got shot, started working. 6 way swing, he at the trap, he served. So many sticks, so many pounds in the beat. Walk in, nigga, you'll get nervous. Free J-Way John, he stay out searching. Hold on, what? Whoa, yeah, this just the beginning. Got a check, so that we spin. No need for a bed, so the bullets going in it. Play been waiting 30 minutes, pull up in a minute. Nigga got shot, then told 12 who did it. No, I can't save a whole cut square, I'm a bill. Talking about he the plug, he the man in the middle. My new bitch don't like the way that I be living. My youngin', he get out of school and start drilling. We won't start trapping until we get millions. No hoe, I can't fall in love for feelings. Yeah, I'm on the J with them hitchmans at. Then go to the Merc where them trappers at. Just call up the plug, need another pack. Rockin' Gucci Infinity, Mitchie man. I just thought the backwood, this ain't 10 G. I seen a bit out before, remember me? I just spent a half a band in energy. I just took a perk and added for energy. Hold on, what? Whoa, oh my gosh, squirt. I hit him for the free, she made you pay a fee. Pop me a perk, nigga, fuck on that pop a little bit. Smoking wood at the woods and how I can get me the plug in the woods and a nigga lost serving. Nigga got shot, started working. 6 way swing, he at the trap, he served. So many sticks, so many pounds in the beat.
See everything? Well, my boy stay on got everything down, but now we about to snatch it out. I don't know how you about to do it, but you about to do it, you do it, you feel me? Can't lie, won't lie. Ain't right, bro?
Yeah, fold it like a hamburger. We out of here. Let's do it.
Got it out of there.
Inside the car.
Got it out of there, you guys. Got it out of there. Ooh, so I'm gonna let y'all see how it look on the inside. Pretty crazy right now.
But hell, we the car to be leaking water, running hot.
But we about to bring y'all them stars, man.
I do this. I
And you feel me? Look, cut off intermission. Y'all see it, we do all our miles ourselves, bro. You feel me? So I would say y'all go watch a YouTube video or watch somebody actually do it before you go to a shop, because they're gonna try to chop y'all mix off. I just want to let y'all know that before you try to do this. I recommend y'all do everything y'all self. Like, it's not nothing too hard. You just gotta make sure you have all the tools and follow the instructions. For real, and you straight. Whoever that is, that thing sound delicious. But back to you. Yeah, turn that copyright off. We'll be sliding in, cuz. I don't know. They ain't even sponsor me, but yeah, you see where we at though. But we had to come pick up something real quick. That's part of the process, so we gotta do it. Look at bro looking at me and stuff, bro. What's up, bro? Are you vlogging? Yeah. That's fine. Appreciate it. Oh, you can go subscribe to me.
I'll do it right now.
Yeah, appreciate it, my boy. See?
What channel is it?
It's gonna be called A with an A-double-Y, Melt, M-E-L-T.
Then go to SRT. No cap.
Appreciate it. No, we just gotta get some.
Cars on there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know how to put on the belt yet.
For real?
Trumpet chain belt.
Yeah.
I can change the alternator, do the radiator all day long for no issue. I can do everything else. We'll put on a damn trumpet chain belt.
Damn.
You got SRT stage and A-Melt on there?
I put A-Melt. I said A-Melt.
Look
I just subscribed.
Yeah,
Free.
go to SRT stage. Hit
Look at check it out.
SRT what?
Stays STACE. Yeah. That's all one word.
But nah, man, we up in old riders right now, getting drill bits on us
And wires.
and wires. Other than that, that's all we're doing. Right now, check them out.
What's going on, Playboy?
What's going on?
Huh?
Hey, how you doing, man?
Man, I'm chilling, bro.
Oh yeah.
What y'all got going on?
Nothing
Working on. Nah, man. That's all we're doing right now. They give y'all a good glimpse. Basically taking y'all everywhere with me.
Yeah. Never different on work.
I'm on 38%. Can't lie. Gotta turn this off. Check it back in. Give y'all another follow-up. Give you all the details. You make sure you have a glue gun. You trying to do this. Glue gun, you know. Drill bit we just bought, you know. Just make sure y'all get an overview of everything real quick, you know what I'm saying? Everything you might need and won't, just in case if you want to do this installment yourself. You know what I'm saying? I'm on 37%. So make sure I turn it back on with something important what y'all need to know. Just stay locked in with your boy. You already know who it is. Yes, sir. Skate.
This is Al.
How long we been in? About 2 hours.
We'll be done in 3.5 though. Not 3.5 more, but we'll be 3.5 total.
This is Al.
Yo, just not get done. It's a job. Man, I'm gonna tell y'all it's a job, but it's 12 o'clock at night, so I ain't got time to do all that talking. I'm going to show y'all, man. And I'm gonna give y'all a brief one in the morning. Oh, yeah. dope. It's dope, bro. We've been at it since 1 o'clock afternoon to get done. 12 o'clock I'm here. So man, if I don't give y'all a quick overview in the morning, it's gonna be in the video. I'm gonna holler back at y'all. Make sure y'all hit that like, comment, subscribe button, and share the page, man. Y'all got me without a hat on. Y'all know y'all got me. Well, I appreciate y'all, man, for supporting the channel, man. It's all love, man. It's your boy Milk, man. Signing out. Yep.